Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal information to the Curriculum Vitae application, thereby customizing your profile. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And as you can see, the home page of the app is this profile icon or section. So if you tap on this camera icon, you can select a picture from your gallery, or you can take a photo with your phone and upload it as your profile picture. You can also select or type in your profile name, your name, date of birth, direction line, your city, state, zip code, country, as well as your email address, the link of your website if you have any, your phone number and mobile number. If you are done with adding all these information, tap on the check mark icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby saving all these details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.